We're in for perfect conditions here all week in Niseko, with fresh snow and low temperatures every day, making the ideal recipe for the world's best powder snow. An intense snowstorm hit Hokkaido on Wednesday night, bringing with it strong winds and blizzard conditions. The wind has since backed off, and the outlook for the week is looking ideal. We'll be getting perfect powder with very low temperatures, mild winds and fresh snowfall every day. This week looks like it will be an ideal combination of weather factors for very deep snow across the resort, so make sure to rug up with an extra layer so you can stay out on the hill even longer. After Wednesday's blizzard, be cautious of significant wind slabs in the snowpack while in the backcountry. As always, make sure to get the latest avalanche safety information by going to nisekotourism.com/avalanche and always use a trained local guide. All this month, newly opened hotel Sansui has been hosting cultural events including traditional music performances and calligraphy. Don't miss the traditional craft workshop tomorrow and the kimono tryout on the 29th, which will be the last event in the series. A new ethical fashion brand has opened here in Niseko, recycling traditional kimonos into modern fashion pieces. The Amaud store is located in central Horafu, so make sure to check them out in the village or online. Conditions across the resort don't get much better than this, so if you're here this week, you'll find out just why they call Niseko the powder capital of the world. In Niseko, this is Al with Niseko Tourism.